Hello learners, a number of people in today's time will see that there are 10 lakh applicants, 5 lakh applicants, 15 lakh, 20 lakh of applicants who are trying to crack an exam where the government is offering. So in today's video, we'll try to understand why exactly people are opting or people really want to struggle so that they can crack UPSC. Firstly, they'll do that because they have very good clarity that they are going to get certain kind of perks or benefits after cracking the exam. It is not just a mere career option which is alternative to other things which are lying in today's world, but they do understand the nit and grit of what is exactly there into this particular career aspect. So when you know why are you preparing for the exam and what are you preparing for the exam and what are the perks you're going to do once you kind of have some kind of a penance. See, the preparation of this particular exam is nothing less than a meditation where a great sages or monks are doing to this world. The aspirants who are really into this preparation nowadays are being termed as urban monks. So why are these extravagant terms associated to this is because they do understand that there are certain kind of perks or there are certain kind of a social responsibility lying after clearing this exam. So that is what we'll try to understand in today's thing. And very importantly, it is open for everyone who is eligible. There is certain kind of an eligibility criteria where this particular door is open for irrespective of the financial status or the social status or even the skill set status. The exam is giving you 1 year or 1.5 years of a time wherein you can prepare yourself, clear this exam and you can contribute to the nation building, which is a lifetime opportunity. So this is not just a career option which has been perceived for by an individual, but they see like it's a lifetime opportunity to build themselves and also to build the nation. First of all, they choose this because it is a career opportunity which is at a prestigious level and it is giving an individual to participate in the diverse roles, like once you crack, once you prove yourself, you can become an administrator or an Indian foreign service or who are called as the diplomats or any other for that matter the central services where the UPSC is offering. So there are a number of roles given and it's very pivotal, and these roles are not just any mere roles where it is trying to work for a private or just a group of people, but these particular roles are representing the whole nation either on the front line like into the international arena or on the domestic lines. And it is this particular roles are not just for a private company as I said, but it is about doing the public service, and that too at the grassroots level where the policy making happens, and once it's happened the implementation, these roles are there from right from the making to the implementation. That is why it is considered it's a very good prestigious opportunity. And secondly, it's not always like, see, nowadays we are not so selfless that we are ready to sacrifice ourselves and work on the front lines. That is why this is not just about that particular part, but it's also a very good job security and stability, because it's a permanent job unless and until you are unsound for this particular role. So this position is going to safeguard an individual with the constitutional provisions, making one of the most stable and career options, and the economic independence, because apart from your salaries, the allowances and the pensions and the financial stability which this particular job is rolling, it's a balance between the public service and my self-service, because I need to take care of an family which is dependent on me. Thirdly, it's prestige and respect. The role is often directly impactful in the reputation of the nation building. As I said you that you are there from the policy making to the policy implementation. So there is definitely the social recognition there, and that recognition comes with the names like our district collector or an SP or an ambassador, with the immense respect and honor. When your name is associated with these kind of social recognition, just imagine the amount of prestige and respect wherever you walk in. And nextly, apart from being the job secure thing, the financial benefits because of the competitive salary. We've seen that it is post 7th pay commission. Before it was 7th pay, now this particular rules are being changed, and they have decided that they are going to give good kind of prestige and good kind of amount being recognized for these particular diverse roles. And apart from that, there is also allowances irrespective of your housing, travel and the utilities, which are at the subsidized rates or some kind of a government locations or the government bungalows and all. So apart from the salary, there are the perks and allowances for an individual given that ensures the financial benefits and also the job security. And the leadership and influence. Just imagine the exposure you get once you're done with the preparation, and second level when you're done with the foundational course in our Labasana, just imagine the exposure you get and get trained in leadership qualities. So this particular thing will happen because you are there in the implementation of the government schemes, the management of crisis and the team management and all. So these particular things are going to influence in many areas like education, health, economy and security of the country. Just imagine the amount of personal development you're going to come. Once people who have started preparing and after traveling 1 year, they turn so 360 degrees. Imagine once the training is done, how a person will be shaped into. An opportunity to represent India at the global arena and also at the domestic levels. Like there are different, suppose for respect to Indian Foreign Service, you're going to have international negotiations. You're going to represent India in a very diplomatic way on the front lines. And coming to police and administrative services and for that matter any other central services, you are the representative of those leaders on the grassroots level. So it's a very good opportunity for one to have the representative kind of a role. So the profession growth as well, the diverse experience, as I said, the training which you guys undergo, you guys will get skilled up with number of aspects. And also the training program, as I said, the training program which is happening. And if you are selected for IFS, the postings abroad, just imagine the exposure you get to the world arena when you're posted abroad. And imagine the grassroots level kind of an experience and when you're undergoing the training. So there are a lot of things where you gain the diverse kind of an experience so that you can professionally and personally grow. And it is very important that you create an, impact on the people as well. Like suppose let us say during the crisis management, you will be on the front lines and try to manage the crisis whatever arises on the level. And networking and collaboration. This particular people who have cracked the exam belong to a separate set of class it is considered. Not caste, not economic perspective or something, but the bureaucratic class or the diplomatic class. This kind of a segregation comes once the exam is cracked. And the collaborations and networking is going to be with the like-minded people who are willing to contribute to the nation. And work-life balance. While this particular job is so challenging, the personal and professional balance happen when one individual take with the different aspects, because the administrative roles where you kind of have a proper schedule, you try to schedule even during the preparation, you have a routine where you need to follow for the next following day. This routine, this kind of a discipline is not just when you practice. They say that more than 21 days if you practice, the habit whatever is there, the routine whatever is there will get imbibed inside you. Just imagine 1.5 years of the preparation and 2 or 3 years of training and everything. So this is going to imbibe in your personality, wherein automatically you will have the capability to have the work-life balance as well. So and also it is opportunity for the further learnings and the exposure and the knowledge you get, and national and global contribution. As I said, just same where you're getting the exposure to the domestic and the international side. Though it is there are few challenges which are rewarding as well, because it is giving you the power to change the people's mind or give a positive impact in that. And the rewarding thing is firstly the satisfaction and the respect you earn. Automatically all the challenges will be sidelined. So that is why it's not just a career option, but number of people who knows the real perks and benefits. It's not just a career option, it's not just about the power and respect, but it's about a multi-dimensional approach, multi-dimensional skilled thing which I'm going to imbibe in this particular journey. So that is why people dedicate properly. If you really know these are the things I'm going to get, that is when you're going to give every energy, sweat and blood for this cracking or for exam to be cracked. So learn about what exactly, not just about UPSC, but learn exactly what you guys really want and what you're going to get once you get it. That is when you're going to stick to that very disciplinedly. Thank you.